Here are the tools you'll need to put together your Barker drawers. A knife. This is a homemade knife because I watched too many Forged and Fires. A hammer. A square. Some glue. And a wet rag. Let's build those drawers.
I purchased a kit to build 3 drawers from Barker Door. I paid $163 for the 3 drawers. If you consider that a sheet of Baltic birch would cost me at least $65, then the drawers really only cost an additional $90 for me. Everything showed up packaged really well. There was no damage to anything. The finish of the plywood was really good. It looked like it had been sanded at the factory, so I just did light sanding. Less than an hour of putting these drawers together versus probably 3 or 4 hours at a minimum to build my own. It seems to me that this is a really good deal. The dovetail joints came together with just the right amount of effort. Just don't make the mistake of not aligning the bottom groove. The only part that's even slightly challenging is getting the bottom in. I once made 28 drawers out of rough poplar. The whole process from milled and lumber all the way to a drawer assembly took me 3 whole days. This is definitely much quicker. This non-marring hammer is probably one of the best tools that I've purchased from Harbor Freight. There's a little gap in the back that I noticed and fixed right after I stopped filming.
How long did that take? 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
So after about 30 minutes, you have some drawers that are great quality. And if you include the cost of labor, much cheaper than what I could build it for. A little sanding, a primer, some spray lacquer, these things will be ready to put in a vanity. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please hit that subscribe button.